In this medical education series video, we will discuss feedback and reflection. Now, what's the difference between feedback and reflection? Feedback is an immediate task oriented feedback for improvement. It shows where one stands, where one could go, and how to continue. It is a give and take process involve two parties, the observer and the observed act. Whereas reflection is a type of feedback on your own learning, self assessment. It implies cognitive skills such as observing, analyzing, and making improvements. So that's the difference between reflection and feedback. In reflection, you reflect upon your own work and how you should improve the act, whereas in feedback you observe someone else's work. Like now we can discuss feedback, that what is feedback, why feedback is given, who should give feedback, and how it should be given. So what is feedback? It is process of sharing observations, concerns and suggestions with another person. In other words, when a teacher critically observes the learner's performance and appreciate a good step and identify the weak step with the aim to improve the performance in future, that is called feedback. Now, why feedback should be given? It is good for morale boosting. Like few days back, one of my UK based colleague posted that my YouTube videos helped him in passing the prestigious FRC OFT exam. Now this was a morale boosting feedback for me. It encouraged positive beliefs and self-esteem. Feedback clarify goals, criteria and expected standards, facilitate self assessment, reflection in learning. So who should give a feedback? Anyone who has mastered the skill and makes a valid statement on learner's performance can give feedback. Tutor, teachers, peers, colleagues, staff, nurses, even patients and learners can also give feedback. Now, how to give feedback? Well, the first point is show respect and concern. Now that's the most important point. During my training and undergraduate life, I used to get upset that why people, colleagues, they don't like my positive feedback. Well, now I have realized that more than the words, the tone, the body language, the facial expressions, they matter. So carefully choose your words and deliver feedback in a cool, calm and caring way. Then communicate directly to the person, not by third party. You never know how your message can be manipulated by someone who is delivering your message. Use first hand data, like I have noticed that you are coming late to rounds for the last 1 week. I hope everything is fine. Now be specific, like you did a great job while doing the pupil examination in a third nerve palsy, and not general, like you did an excellent examination, so that the trainee or the learner is not able to know that which thing you liked. Be descriptive and not judgmental. Like I hope in every uveitis patient sexual history is important, so hopefully next time you will not forget to take it. Judgmental statement would be, you don't know how to take history, how can you forget asking sexual history, your history is inadequate. Then focus on behavior and not personality. Like please don't look down while asking the history from the patient. Make an eye contact, that's better. Then telling you looked lost and shy while communicating with patient. Now tip 7, explain why it is a problem. Inappropriate feedback would be why you dilated the patient without taking vision and checking pupil. You can rather say that before installation of the dilating drops, always check vision and pupil reaction, because once the eye pupil is dilated, you will not be able to check accurately these things. I hope next time you will remember this. Thank you. Accept some responsibility. I think it's my fault that you were not able to pick the relative afferent pupillary defect in this patient, and now I will focus to teach you that point in the future. Then explore the learner self-awareness. How do you think it went? How do you think your performance was satisfactory or not? Use silence, because too much talking can make the learner on defense. Then limit your feedback and address 1 or 2 issues at a time. If you address too many issues, the learner will forget your positive feedback. Watch body language, and at the end close it by taking feedback on feedback. Am I being reasonable to you? Could you summarize the main ideas? So that's how you give feedback in a learning program. So now I would like to tell you about the reflection. In a reflection, you first describe an event, and then you evaluate, then analyze, then conclude, and then make an action plan. So for reflection, choose any activity. For example, I am making a YouTube video. Now why I am making it? What's the reason? And how I made it? And what I learned from making that video? And what I could have done better what could I have done to make it better? And in future, how I would make the video better? How will I improve the experience? So I have made a video and I have written this reflection. Now this reflection can be discussed with peers or teachers, and they can give you a useful feedback and can be used for assessment. Both your video, your reflection and feedback on video can be filled in your e-portfolio. So I hope that now you understand what is feedback and what is reflection, and how you incorporate feedback and reflection in your daily life as well as in your work. Thank you very much.